nasema asante. Wewe ni Mungu mkuu.
This is the Technical University of Kenya Christian Union Sunday service, today the 27th of September 2015. Welcome all first years, members, associates, and all the visitors. Feel at the feet of Jesus. The Christian Union would wish to appreciate all of you who participated in the Shahidi Forum yesterday. Your attendance and participation is highly appreciated. Thank you and God bless you. Would also want to invite you for the Ezra Mini Conference that is happening this weekend, 2nd to 4th October at Loreto, Kiambu. Charges are 600 shillings only, with 300 shillings only for registration. You're welcome. Register with any exec member. All the queens, you're requested to please remain shortly after the service. There's a special guest who will want to share with you.
Okay. Daniels, after the service, there is a forum for you, so you're all welcome.
To the first years and the new members in the Christian Union, our sanctuary is located just behind Q Block, next to the bus parking. You're all welcome. I am sure you are talented in either dancing, singing, playing instruments, mission work, being at the kitchen, like cooking and tasting food, media, Bible study, ushering, and even intercessory. We want to welcome you to all our subcoms that will help you grow and perfect the skill that you have. See any exec member for guidance. Note-taking is one of the key steps in reception of messages, and therefore you ought to get yourself a notebook from our media crew desk going at 100 shillings. From the same desk you will get wristbands, your color, your choice, your message, your choice, just from the same desk at 80 shillings. Media crew is composed of 3 subcoms: editorial, publicity, and library. Publicity meetings happen every Monday, 4 to 6 p.m. behind M Block. Editorial meetings take on from Wednesday, 4 to 6 p.m. behind M Block. Welcome.
This week, in the men's hostel, we are having evangelism every day from Monday to Wednesday, starting from 7 p.m. up to 9 p.m. Purpose to attend. The Technical University of Kenya Christian Union Media Crew is introducing the Knowledge Corner, where you get to be enlightened more about all aspects of our CU. Welcome.
My name is Evelyn Kamanu. I'm born again, and I'm from Discipleship and Bible Study Subcom. The reason why I'm here is to bring to you about the Bible study, the discipleship classes, and the best pick classes happening in TUCCU. We usually have our Bible study meeting on Tuesday from 4 to 5. On Sundays, we have it from 9 to 9:30, where we do the manuscripts. Right now, we are doing 1 Corinthians, and it's awesome. We have the discipleship classes, where we have the foundation class, which is for the new believers, and we have the crew session, which is for everyone who has already gotten born again. Please join us on Thursdays from 4 to 5 so that you can learn more and know more about your salvation. Also, we welcome you to our Best Pick classes, which is Bible Expository Self-Training Program, which is a program from Focus, which teaches us how to study the Word of God. We have various topics like hermeneutics, IBS, which is inductive Bible study, apologetics, homiletics, and expository. We welcome you to all this so that you can learn and know what they are and how to apply them on our daily life. You're very welcome, and please don't miss out.